What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you guys can be notified each and every time I upload videos. For everybody else, welcome back. I'm back, guys, with Digital Wealth Pros DWP. Okay, doing another quick review on this one. Okay, the automated system to generate instant $200, $400, $800, and now $1,500 commissions per sale on autopilot. You got to check this thing out. The link is in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com, guys. This thing is hot. Okay, they recently added the $1,500 product level. Okay, now we can earn $1,500 commissions. And as they state right here, these are instant. You get overrides too for all these levels. So we have 5, right? No, 1, 2, 3, 4 levels, right? 200, 400, 800, and 1,500. 4 levels now. You can get paid on instant pay any way you want. Okay, you decide how you want to get paid. They have a call center that's gonna handle the whole sales process from A to Z. Because what happens when you start promoting this opportunity, you send people to your capture page, they put in their name and email, they watch these videos, right? And if they have any questions, there's the number they're going to call right there in front of them on the screen. Okay, anything they think of, the 800 number is here for the call center. And then your ID number is here, okay, so that you can get the credit for it, because they're going to ask for that, okay, when they call. If they don't give it to them, they're going to say, hey, well, what's the ID number that referred you, okay? So they're going to answer all the questions and get your folks started, okay? They're going to send them your information so that they can pay you directly, all right? And you will be notified when the call center is on a call with your prospects. They're going to send you an email. They're going to let you know, hey, I got one of your leads on the phone. All right. And then the next message you will get via email, if they sign up, the call center is going to email you and say, hey, you just got a new team member and you should be getting a payment shortly. Okay. You cannot beat that, guys. Okay. This is the easiest, it's going to be the easiest way for especially my new members, my folks that don't want to talk to people. This is going to be the best program for you because they have the call center, hands down. Okay, so you will know what's going on with your leads. Okay, I can say that if you're new, because I know I talk to a lot of new people that go, oh, well, I don't really want to put my number on things, or I'm too busy, I don't want to answer questions. Perfect program. How much is it to get started, guys? We've got 4 levels for you. So, you know, get in where you fit in. The first level, $200. Okay, it's going to be $297, and you can earn $200 commissions. Or $497, you'll earn $497. You earn $400 commissions, and it's $497. Or $997, and you earn $800 commissions. Or $1997, you're all in, and you can earn $1,500 commissions. Okay, you're all in, you get all levels. Not to mention, when folks upgrade, you get that money. When there's overrides, you'll get that money. Now, with this program, there are no pass-ups and no one-ups. You keep all your sales. Now, if someone does come in at a higher level, so let's say you come in at that $297, and someone decides, well, I think I want to get the $497 package. You'll still make $200, and the other $200 will pass up to your sponsor or whoever's next in line. That's qualified. Okay? So you still get paid. All right, guys? And then when you want to upgrade, you will have to pay the full amount. So if you decide, hey, I'm at the $200 product level and I want to go to the $400, you have to pay the $497. Okay? It's not going to be the difference. Okay? But a great program. I definitely think you should take a look at this. The link is in the description. This is the system I'm using, the third-party system. I'm not using DWP's system specifically because I like the way this is laid out. Okay, we have the the info video right here, a short brief one, like 7 minutes. Then we have a whole presentation here, and then there is a back office walkthrough with this system. So you're basically 95% of the work is going to be done. All your job is just to promote the opportunity, okay? Because this system right here does a great job of explaining it very well, okay? And then whatever questions they may have that it doesn't explain, guess what? The 800 number is on the screen for them to call, okay? So all you'll be doing at that point is just receiving emails that, hey, you've got sign-ups coming through. All right, guys, so this definitely is perfect, even for a busy person. Let's say, hey, you are experienced, but you're like, hey, I've got a lot of other things going on that I'm trying to promote, and I don't need another opportunity where I've got to answer calls for that program. Well, this will be perfect for you, okay? And now we've got high ticket for some folks that say, hey, I only market programs that's $1,000 and above. Guess what? Perfect for that as well. So we've got low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket, okay? All right, guys, so just wanted to come back and show you guys this once again. A great program to get started in. My link is in the description for everybody to get started. I will be running your first traffic campaign for you. So please reach out to me so that you can give me your link, your capture page link, so that I can run the traffic. That link that I'm giving you, www.besteasyworkincome.com, will take you to this system, okay? And right here, it will ask you, do you want a site like this? Just click that, use my name and email as your referral, and you'll get this system. All right, guys, this one is $19.99 a month. Okay, very affordable. All right, and then, of course, I'm going to share my marketing resources and strategies with you guys, as well as one-on-one support. Okay, so if you ever have any questions after you get signed up, give me a call, and I'm here for support. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And, oh, one more thing. If you're looking to get started with your very own online dispensary, that link is in the description. Go check this thing out. All right. See you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.